in total. That's the big news that we are getting for you right now. Delhi police officials have picked up close to a dozen suspects. This is the aftermath of Delhi blast and the probe that's currently underway. Now, this is the first set of suspects, viewers, that has been picked up by Delhi police after the attack that happened, after the blast that happened in the heart of Old Delhi around Red Fort. And suspects, we have learned as per sources, are related directly or indirectly to the people, to the doctors who've been arrested as part of this Faridabad white terror module. Let's go across to Priyank Tripathi joining us live right now for more on this. Priyank, big news coming in. Close to a dozen suspects have been picked up. Who are these people? What more details can you share with us? Okay, we'll quickly try and reconnect with Priyank in just a bit. But viewers, the probe is intensifying every moment. We're getting a new piece of information. The latest update that we've got is about a big action by Delhi police. Remember, on one hand, there is a hunt that's currently underway for a red color eco sport that perhaps also belonged to Umar Nabi. And on the other hand, we have learned that the Delhi police officials have picked up close to a dozen suspects. Priyank Tripathi is back with us on the phone line. Priyank, give us more details. Who are these around 12 suspects who've been picked up? What more can you share with us?
Ashish, this is the first set of detention which has happened in this case. And what sources have been telling us that the Delhi police is certainly trying to know about the detail about those individuals who have been in contact with these set of individuals who were working for Adil and Umar. So that is a major development which has happened in this particular case, where the suspects who were close to these bombers have been picked up by the Delhi Police Special Cell.
Right. Priyank, thank you very much for the moment for joining us with your inputs. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this story.